All right, KTAuthentics sports memorabilia and cards. We're going to do Leaf Rookie Retro, 1 box for BTB. Guys, don't forget, if you just jumped in the room, we have 15 National Treasures. 15 National Treasures. Pick your team. I added some gold packs to that break as well. Add some gold packs to that break. Just chilling, man. That's cool. Cool. Five-box case. 5-box case. That is how they should have come out. So let me number it up. Ooh, I like him.
You do?
I would hold on to him because I think he's going to get more playing time this year.
Yeah, he's gradable too.
I'd grade it then. He's going to be one of those guys that breaks out like Kawhi Leonard. That is the shop owner. That's a shop owner bill. So, Eric, 1 through 5, please. 1 through 5. Oh, Jonathan Simmons. Once he starts getting playing time, because he's a freak athlete, I think a lot of people will like him because he's pretty freakish. He's a small forward / power forward on the San Antonio Spurs. He was a rookie last year. When he got playing time, he put up good numbers. So now that Duncan's gone, I think not this year, but maybe a little bit this year, but definitely next year. They're going to keep him. So good luck, BTB. Box 2. Box 2. Leaf Rookie Retro. Seal and seal. Alright. Our throwback card is Joe Veleno. Joe Veleno. Rookie. And it is hockey. 84 O-Pee-Chee Gem Mint 10. Gem Mint 10 Cam Neely. 84 O-Pee-Chee Gem Mint 10. First round choice of the 83 entry draft. Nice. Cam Neely. For which one? Hit me now. I mean, I can line a box in our Facebook group. I can't line a box on breakers. So I don't really have a group break set up for Rookie Retro. So they're $249.99.